I've been hearing stuff from social media influencers that claims that if you are on TRT, testosterone replacement therapy, and this new proposed rule from the Drug Enforcement Administration, the DEA, goes into effect, for the rest of your life you're going to have to see your doctor every 30 days to get a refill of testosterone. This has been like a huge issue now in the bodybuilding community, in the testosterone replacement community, and it's being interpreted, I think, as this idea that this is the government cracking down on testosterone, that the government doesn't like testosterone, that the government doesn't like masculinity in general.
This proposed regulation, this would cover drugs beyond testosterone. It would cover all controlled substances, correct?
There is nothing in this proposed rule that says that anybody who's on TRT will have to see their doctor every 30 days. It's absolutely false. And also, there's nothing about this rule that is focused specifically on TRT. That's not what this is about. This is not an anti-TRT proposed rule by the DEA. This is a rule that applies to all controlled substances. The purpose of the rule, the premise, the underlying ideas of the rule have nothing to do with testosterone.